Hello, I'm Neil Mossey and welcome back to the Happy Hearts. It's a lovely warm day today in the hut because, let's come back in, do you want to add a channels tab to your YouTube channel? Like this one here, this is my YouTube channel page and you can see these tabs along the top here, but there's one here marked channels. Let's click on that and that opens up a list of channels that I want to be linked from my YouTube channel. It's a really nice feature to have, so I'm able to link to some of my other channels. Like right here I've got my dad channel, my trains and my IKEA channel, or you can link to your friends or just the channels of your favourite creators on YouTube. So I've got Casey and Shelby represented here. I don't think it actually does very much for your channel, but it does publicly showcase the channels that you want to be seen to be linked to. But it's not that easy to add this list. So here we go now with the step-by-step instructions. I'm going to walk us through this. There are two ways we can get to the place where we need to add the channels. Either on YouTube, just go to your channel, and if you're logged in, there's this button here, Customize Channel. Or this is the way to do it on a mobile or desktop device. Go to studio.youtube.com and on the menu down the left hand side here, way down at the bottom is this tab, Customization. This is where we make the featured sections on our channel. You know, those rows that you get on your channel page, like these ones here on my channel. We need to make a row for our featured channels and that row is where we can put the channels that we want to link to. On the right hand side we'll click on this button here, add section. These are all the things that we can add to our main YouTube channel page, but right at the bottom here is featured channels. I'll just click on that. There's a search box here where we can search for the channels that we want to add. Here's a quick tip: if you're finding it difficult to find the channel, you can get their unique URL from their channel page in the address bar with or without the @ symbol. So look, I can paste the @ handle here and it shows the channel to add. To add it, you just click on it here. Then it lists them in the right hand side. Once we have a few channels, we can put them in the order that we want by using these grab handles down the side of the channel names. So I could bump up my IKEA dad channel. I could bring Shelby. Shall I bring Shelby all the way to the top? Not quite top there, I'll have it under the dad channel. I think this is the order I want, so we can now give this collection any title that we like. I think I'll stick with that one. Now when I click done, down here, that saves the featured channels as a row on our YouTube channel page, and I'll hit publish at the top and look at this, there they are, my YouTube channel buddies. It looks perfect. But not only are the channels here, if we click on the channels tab at the top, there they are now in our channels tab. Of course we can do the same process to edit or change these at any time. Leave me a comment to say hi if this is helping, and thanks for being awesome and hitting the thumbs up button. And right here is a bunch of videos with some other tips and tricks for your YouTube channel.
Can you please help my dad get to 1 million subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Can we have dinner now?